Hi, I'm Jason, warehouse manager and senior technician. Welcome to the ROQ US warehouse. Come on in. Right, so right now we're at the ROQ US headquarters here in beautiful Claremont, Florida, about 20 minutes from Disney World if you all want to come check us out. And what we're going to do now is just take a quick walk through the warehouse. Right now we're standing on the shipping and receiving area. Obviously we're going to be taking in equipment from Portugal and also shipping it back out to you guys, the customers. Take a look over here. We got a nice big brand new P20 Next. Those things are big boys. And actually I had a little trouble getting that one off the forklift. Next thing we're really excited about around here is our 15,000 square foot expansion to add on to our existing 15,000 square feet. And what that's really going to allow us to do is A, install a nice new showroom for you, which Mike will talk to you about later, and also just be a little bit more efficient, not having to move everything around to get to something. So we're really excited about that. Hey, you guys want to come check out the new expansion? Come on. Come on in. Here we are, our wonderful new expansion space. We're super excited about this because you can see all the additional room. What this is going to allow us to do is A, keep more equipment in stock for you guys to better serve you, but also be a little bit more efficient. So you can see we've already started moving a lot of things over here. What we're mostly going to be using this stuff for is kind of a queue for our refurbishment. And if you look over here on this wall, you don't see a door. But there's going to be a door there soon. We're going to knock that out, so we'll have smooth flow for equipment and accessories through that doorway. I actually started off as a screen printer, a ROQ customer, and loved the product so much and loved the people so much, I decided to come work here after my time at my last company was done. So I've been here for 8 years, started off as a technician for about 7 years, and honestly I got a little tired of the road life. So I asked for a change and they were gracious enough to give me this warehouse here to run for them. So here a lot of the things we do, obviously shipping and receiving parts, but also refurbishment of equipment for buybacks. If customers would like to trade in their equipment and upgrade, we'll take their old piece of equipment in our refurbishment center. We'll inspect it, fix whatever's wrong with it, and make it good as new for its next home.
Freaking love that, dude.
Cool.